This is a set of two super cute pink and white teepees, two inflatable mattresses about 61 inches long and 26 inches wide, two fitted sheets, two battery operated star string lights, and a pack of multicolored pink and white balloons. It makes such a cute set for sleepovers, a reading nook, you name it. The teepee is adjustable so you can spread them out wide or make them more narrow like we did to fit into a smaller space. We were sent these to review from Lemosae and absolutely love them, so let me show you a closer look and how to set them up. The teepee comes with basic instructions. There is a little bit of assembly, but it's really no big deal. We've got 8 rods, really nice and thick, wooden, but lightweight. And then here's your teepee fabric. Really nice material. You're gonna connect each of the pair of poles with one of the plastic pieces. You've got these little pockets here. Slide them through the fabric. You've got these laces that come out of the teepee fabric. Lace the poles at the top with the thread and spread out the bottom. It should feel nice and stable once it's fully assembled. How cute is this? Oh my gosh. Yes, so cute. So here's one of the inflatable beds. We've got 2 to pump up. Woo! Each one does come with a little plastic piece in case you get a leak. You can repair it yourself. A nice size, but they are not a self-inflating kind of thing, and it doesn't come with a pump. So you gotta have your own pump. So you're going to screw this in first and then open up this valve here. And that's where you're going to inflate it. It just takes about 1 minute. We are looking good. You have 2 fitted sheets that come with this. Nice and stretchy. Each of the teepees comes with a set of battery operated star lights. So cute. So you've got 2 of these that you can add your own batteries and then string them down from the teepees. AA batteries, so you need 6 of those in total. You can just turn them off until you're ready for the big reveal. Last but certainly not least, it comes with a bag of gorgeous pink and white balloons. There are 4 different colors in here. I'm not gonna go crazy doing the whole bag, but I'll just blow one of each color up for fun. I'm literally just putting the end of the balloon over the teepee rods. So easy. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. My girls are gonna go nuts. Yes. They have an open window on one side. They have the door on the front. There's a tie on the inside and the outside, so you can tie this open. So there it is, tied versus not tied. Yeah, so cute. And here is the vibe at night. Those lights are so cute. What an extra little touch they make. Wow. Okay, okay, look.
Oh my god!
The air mattresses are not a full twin size. They're more of a small kid size. My girls are 10 years old and they still fit them perfectly. Any older than that, they might not fit well. So I'd say up until about 10 or 11 years old is pretty much the max. Great for camping too.